Okay, today's your first solid. Yes. Yeah. What is that? What is that? Open your mouth.
It's like you're still sucking it.
What is that?
No, you're dripping.
You like it?
Let's try some.
What is that? Brown rice. Yummy. Good job. You like it. Oh my gosh, you like it. You like it, huh? Yeah.
She hasn't swallowed any of it. You can see it on her.
You like it?
Yeah. You need to wash it down with some milk.
You want more milk? You want milk? You want Mama's milk? Yummy!
Yum.
Yum! You are doing so good.
It's good, huh? It's good, no? It's good, no? Let's see.
More? You want more? You like it. You aren't having a hard time. You were ready.
She's still questioning the spoon. Uh-oh.
Yummy. You're such a big girl.
No, not that piece.
No, get rid of that piece. There's a napkin right there. You want more? Wow, you're gonna make Mommy cry.
Here you go. Here, have some more cereal.
All done? You over it? Nope. Open your mouth. Say ah. Yummy.
Here. It's not a bottle, you don't have to hold it.
You're so good.
Go.
Yeah.
You've seen Mommy and Daddy eat a lot, so you know how.
It's so good, huh?
That was a good bite. She got it good there. Here you go. Ready? And into the mouth.
Oh my gosh.
Nola. Here. Here you go.
You're
Open
so...
the mouth.
I'm really gonna cry. You're so good.
Okay, here we go. One more. One more. Open the mouth.
Yum, yum, yum. You're
Open
a good
your
chewer. You're a good chewer.
Ooh, I like that one, huh? You got that one?
You're so good, little one.
Here you go.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.